In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete an Amazon affiliate account. So I have just Google searched for Amazon Associates, and we want to open up this first website, which is affiliate-program.amazon.com. So once we open up the Amazon Associates Central, we want to log in into our account from the top right corner. And then here we will hover over our email address and go to account settings. So once we go to account settings, then if we scroll down, you will see this option to close your account. So just click on it. Once we click on it, then we have to choose a reason for closing our account. So I have a duplicate account. I'm not earning enough. I want to get paid the balance amount on my account. I'm getting too many emails or others. And here you can leave them some feedback if you want to let Amazon know anything. And basically, after you have selected the reason for closing your account, you will click on close your account now, this yellow button, and your Amazon Associates account will have been successfully closed. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.